Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be molding some of these figures, but I'm going to be molding them in certain positions for MOCS and dioramas, like if they die or something, then instead of actually using, let's say, this grunt and positioning them on the wall, I can actually paint on a pure white figure and make them whatever color I want, whatever color scheme I want, make them all bloody and all that, and not worry about ruining this figure or not being able to use them into another MOC. So if you guys enjoy this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're doing a 1K sub giveaway, so hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Also, let's go for 60 likes on this video. That would help out a lot to help YouTube get this video to other people that enjoy this kind of stuff. Thank you guys all so much for all the love and support lately. I really do appreciate it, and let's just jump right into the video. So, the molds didn't turn out quite as I thought they would. I was really hoping that they would just come out perfectly and easily without sticking half of them into clay, and that was kind of a mistake. As you can see, a lot of the grunts and the elites are missing arms or heads, or they just don't really look the best that they could look, but I think that gives me an idea. You see, when you fail on something, your instinct is to just give up. Well, it didn't work, so let's just give up. I don't want to just give up on this project and consider it a failure. I still want to use these molds for future projects and still make really cool designs out of them. And the way I'm going to do that is by cleaning up one of these grunts and making a really cool display stand for a marine that just killed a grunt. So I'm going to clean up one of these grunts, paint him off camera, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so it is finished. This little mock, I guess. This wasn't even intended to be my plan for this video, but I figured I would give it a shot. I wanted to see if I could still use these figures even though they're not coming out into like a whole piece, and I think it turned out pretty good. So basically I molded a few more times, and the molds kind of got better as the molds got broken into, but they're still missing arms and stuff like that, and that's actually not that big of a problem because I can still use them in MOCS and dioramas like this. This will be on my eBay page as well if anyone is wondering or interested in. It'll just be like this with the Halo 1 Marine looking over this dead grunt. But even when you kind of fail and these pieces aren't coming out properly and the figures don't look good, it's a learning experience. So I learned a lot from making these figures and these different kind of molds right now. I learned a lot about, and it was really nice to actually learn instead of just getting it right the first time like I did with the Spartan helmets here. Spartan helmets were super simple, and then I thought I could just shove a figure in there without putting half of it in clay and it would come out well, which it won't. So if you are going to do this yourself, I would definitely recommend putting a figure in half in with clay. And this piece will still work just fine for me because I can still put him on the battlefield or something, but it's just not going to look perfect. Right? But if you put a figure halfway into clay and you want to use them for like a diorama or a mock like this, that will be great. You definitely can't just make your own Halo by your Construct figures from this molding plastic and all that. There's a reason that you have to have an actual company and production line to make really cool figures and not just some guy that's, you know, at home making them. So it was a cool experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, we're doing a 1,000 sub giveaway, so make sure you subscribe down below and ring that notification bell so then when we get around to that, you can be entered into that. The faster we get there, the faster I give something away. It will either be a really sick mock like this or a custom figure. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.